Tell these pussy ass honkies I don't care about what they got. Cause I'm too busy, I stay busy. You ain't busy, you just feel. Cause I'm too busy, I stay busy. You ain't busy, you just feel.
Yo, what's up YouTube? It's Dirt Brothers, back at it again. KX, you already know she broke again. That's just how it is.
Of course, last ride.
We always fuck her up somehow. So we fucked up the chain and it got locked, if you saw in the last video. And we really got fucked because it was around this. And the chain decided to fucking like triple wrap around here. And there was also one wrapped around the fucking chain slide. And as you can tell, it grit that sumbitch and fucking ripped it. So there was two chains. So there was two chains fucking wrapped right here. So we got it all, like, we dremeled a lot of links out, got it popped out. And then we were stuck with this, which was hard as fuck. And then simple solution was just lube it up and
beat it.
And just pop it with a screwdriver and it slid out.
It wasn't easy, but
it was
basically
easy,
beat it out.
Didn't think about it.
Yeah, beat it out. That was the solution.
Now we didn't record all that because it was fucking timey and fucking, you know, unproductive shit.
Basically.
So we got that done. Now we're gonna put new rotors and chain on it.
You just call them rotors.
I'm sorry. What are they? Sprockets. Sprockets. Hey, I said it before you said it, so I remembered it. I'm gonna put new sprockets.
You got your knife on you?
Knife, yeah. Unboxing video, yeah. That's for Hunter's 4-stroke game.
Yeah. Who likes 4 strokes? I'll put that back in the box.
So we got front sprocket,
back sprocket,
back sprocket. Sorry.
That was really loud.
And we're gonna try and fix up the plastics. We got.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Okay, I hope the camera picked that up. It is true. Well,
nah, this is Kentucky air.
Yeah.
Nah.
God, dude. And we got a chain. Oh fuck.
Is a sealer?
That's just not really that. We got bolts, so we're gonna try and fix up the plastic.
I'm gonna throw this back in there.
Go ahead.
What is this? Oh, there's the master link. Got a new one of those. We'll just set this to the side. Chinese air.
In memory, KX.
Right.
No way. Bruh.
I already told you that's what it was.
No. 420 MC professional chain.
Didn't I already tell you that's what it was?
No.
420, and I couldn't remember if it was a 124 or 128.
Oh.
You stupid. 120 fucking lazy, you fat cunt. So now, getting the back sprocket off. Come over here. Well, you stay right here for a second. Gotta break this off. Go get close so I can see. Gotta break this off. This is a 19 millimeter. Gotta break this one. It's a 15, and we gotta take the wheel off. You know, if you still had the chain on it, you'd have to, you know, take the chain off too.
But we already did that.
We already did that because Eli broke it. So, get the bad boys. Throw them on there. Right, and counterclockwise is towards you.
Fucking shit.
Right? No, that's the wrong way. I'm stupid. The other one's basically just to hold. You don't really have to turn it too much. Is that hand tight yet? Yeah, there we go. Heck yeah. There she blows. I don't think you have to take the other one off, do you? Nope, you don't. You just push it out. Pull on it. If you have like a rubber mallet or something, beat it out on the other side. Might help. Pull it out. Kind of greasy. Don't want to get it ungreasy.
Fuck.
Throw it on the box. And I think it's just as simple as pulling it out. There we go. Hold these also. bama jam off.
Okay.
These are, what size? 12? Yes, these are 12 millimeters. Pop these bad boys off. Which way is counterclockwise? This way. Yes.
Is this gonna like take a good
Holy
minute?
Jesus. Why?
Sit down so I can record. Okay. I didn't know if I should sit down or if I was gonna have to get up.
Yeah. Gotta put everything back on it. Holy. I even sprayed these with lube. Ugh. I really feel like this back sprocket's bigger. It looks like it.
Well, I mean, you also got to think it's been through some shit.
Yeah, but dude, these are on there. Ow. Jesus Christ. Basically, you just take all 4 of them off. Ah!
Cut yourself?
Basically.
Oh, they're not. Okay. Oh, you cunt. You fucking cunt. Give him a good look.
She's a little wore out. Just a little bit. So now, open up this bad boy.
I know. We watched one on how to get a chain on. They cracked together, so
Yeah. Are they? Yeah, they got the same amount, see? Perfect. So the gearing ain't gonna be no different. I was about to say, bro, that don't even go on. Dang, that's a clean sprocket. You know, other than fingerprints. Gotta wipe those so you can't read them. Does it matter which side goes where? I don't think so. So we're gonna throw it on like that. Put your washers back on. Put these bad boys back on. Right, so you put just a little drizzle on every one of them. Just get it on the threads. You don't really have to do a whole lot. And then, when you screw these back on, it'll spread it down on all the threads a little bit. And it's harder for them to back themselves back out. You don't use red, because that's like permanent Loctite. You don't do it. Use the blue. Tighten these down to spec, aka
to fucking spec.
Yeah, there's specification on how tight everything should be.
Oh, I know. But do you know?
Yeah. That.
Yeah.
Oh, yep. See, that one's good and tight. Good and tight. There we go. You know, a lot of people use standard and metric. I like to use the German method on knowing how tight they need to be. And that's good and tight. And these bad boys are on.
All right.
Now, just because I don't think I can put it back on easily, I'm not going to show you how to put it back on. But you took it off. Sucks to be you.
Bruh.
Now that we got the back tire back on, gotta pop this clip off right here, and it'll just slide right off. I wasn't challenged. And this will just slide right back on.
I want to ask y'all boys a question real quick. I know y'all love dogs and all, don't you?
Yeah.
What do you get if you cross a Shih Tzu with a bulldog?
No clue.
Bullshit.
I was
You didn't
thinking.
catch on?
I was thinking shit bull for some reason.
You didn't catch on to that? Just throw this one back on. Kind of line it up. You'll get your pliers. Bring it out. And it'll clip back on. We already put the chain on. Kind of forgot to record. When you do it, you want to get one end of your links to put the master link in, and you want to feed it all the way through, and it'll come right around. Might need to adjust it out a little bit just to get it right. So when you're putting your master link on, the clip, the round end needs to go this way, just so if you're riding, it doesn't, you know, catch on something and right here and it pops off and then you're screwed on the trail. So now that that's on, we need to make sure, I was gonna say, hold that bike good.
We need to loosen that thing up.
You need to make sure these are the same mark. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So I need to bring that one out. Right. Right, and with that, let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll be right there. I didn't lose it. Nope. Okay. Throat. Really? I grabbed the wrong one. Can't believe that. I was doing good all video. Grab this. Hold that on there. You're gonna go ahead and tighten these bad boys back up. Hold it good. All right. And now we're gonna go ahead and adjust the chain tensioners. These things right here. Let's see, we can just go ahead and use the 10. Flip it the other way. Can I get in there? Yes, I can.
How are you gonna get out?
Good question. So we got it out. So now we're gonna hold that bad boy. We'll loosen these up until they hit, and then you need to roll this back down to here and tighten it up. I'll show you that when we get to it. All right, now that we're right here at the end, get it all real nice and snug up.
Funny part. You know the funny part? Funny part of this.
What?
You have to do it on the other side.
Then just screw that back down, finger tight. Where's my other thing? Where'd she go? Oh, that's right here. Put it on there and then make sure she's good and tight. Phones. Huh.
What?
I'm stupid. Remember, it's still over there. So I really don't know where you put that stuff. She's done. Now you do the same thing for the other side.